guardrails. The part nobody tells you about is that automation is more about control than it is about speed. If you don't put guardrails in place, then you're basically giving a toddler the car keys. So what do guardrails really look like? Well, first, keep sensitive stuff completely locked down. Store your API keys and logins properly, and don't leave them lying around in some shared Google Doc. Second, keep humans in the loop when money or legal documents are involved. Let the AI draft the invoice or contract, sure, but have someone hit approve before it goes out the door. And third, track everything. Good automation tools will keep a log of what ran and when. That way, if something does go sideways, you can rewind and fix it instead of guessing what exactly went wrong and when. And the good news is the tools themselves make this pretty easy. Zapier and Make are great for most businesses, and if you're a little more advanced, there's N8N, an open sourced option that gives you more control and fewer costs as you scale. The point is, don't build automations as if they're set it and forget it. Build them like they're part of your team. It's a tool, not an employee. Safe, accountable, and checked on once in a while to make sure they're still doing their job. 3 automations you can use this week. All right, let's take action now. I'm gonna give you 3 automations that you could set up this week and start buying back your time. And don't worry, it's nothing crazy and needs no coding or a huge budget, just simple workflows that give you hours back right away. Automation 1 is inbox and lead triage. Your inbox is not your job, but it feels like it sometimes, right? With AI, you can set up a workflow that sorts incoming emails into categories like sales, support, or spam. The sales ones can get pushed into your CRM and assigned to the right person, and an AI reply can go back to the customer instantly with a personalized response. Suddenly, you're not drowning in emails and only dealing with the important ones. Automation 2 is client proposals. If you've lost count of how many hours you've lost writing proposals from scratch, then here's the fix. Once you log the client's request, an AI can pull your service descriptions, pricing, and templates together into a draft proposal. You skim it, tweak it if necessary, and send it out, sometimes in the same day instead of the next week. Faster proposals means faster deals, and your clients do notice. Automation 3 is weekly reports. Reporting is important, but it eats up a lot of time. With automation, you can connect your tools like your payment processor, analytics, and ad accounts, and have the data pulled into one single page. Then the AI adds a short summary, what went up, what went down, and what to look for next. Every Monday morning, for example, that report can land in your inbox and even your client's inbox if needed. And the best part is you spent 0 hours building it. These 3 examples are just the tip of the iceberg though. They're not flashy, but that's the point, like we talked about earlier. The boring stuff is where automation can save the most time and where you'll see results most immediately. Now, if you're wondering which AI tools are actually worth using, then we've got you covered in our total guide. So go check that out next and you'll know exactly which platforms can power the automations that we just talked about. So here's the big takeaway. Automation is about cutting the boring stuff that eats up your week, not building some futuristic robot empire. Step 1 is to spot the time sucks. Step 2 is to go after those quick wins. Step 3 is to build with guardrails so things don't blow up on you. Do that and you'll already be way ahead of 95% of businesses still wasting money on tools that they don't need. But now we'd love to hear from you. What's the #1 task in your business that you'd love to automate? Drop it down in the comment section and we might break it down in a future video. If you found this video to be helpful, be sure to give it a like and hit subscribe to see future videos from Website Planet, because we'll continue showing you how to use tech in ways that actually make sense. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.